Hello my friends, this is Steven. Nice to see you again. Today I would like to introduce you a 4-channel MDVR kit to you with a 10-inch monitor. Okay, the system is composed of 4 extension cables, 4 cameras for front, rear, sides, 2 sides. Okay, a MDVR and a 10-inch monitor. This system is typically used in trucks, coach, RVs, and etc. for surveillance, for video surveillance. Okay, this is the MDVR. User menu. Okay. Let's see. MDVR. Power cable. Okay, I have a long power cable for you. Power cable, video cable. The keys, the remote control. Okay, do this. This is the power cable. Okay, this is the sensor cable. Here is the SD card slot. Okay. Okay, we can put SD card here. Okay. Okay, 4 cameras. Monitor. This is the cables. And here is the remote control bracket and the pad. Okay, I will not show here. We will have a separate video for you. Okay, you can see here is 4 cameras. Okay, and you need to use the extension cable here. okay, collections of the 4 cameras. Okay, so next we need to collect the monitor. Okay, you can see here the cable, collect here. Okay, here is VGA port, here's the trigger cable, and we have this is the AV collector. Okay, but in this system we use VGA. Okay, and here we have DC collector to collect to the MDVR directly for powering of the monitor. Okay. See here. Okay, and here collector, you can see here is DC 12 out. Okay, we just collect here. Okay. Okay, this is all the wiring. Okay, let's power the MDVR. Okay, we collect these 2 cables together. Okay.